You know, one of our core values at Burton Pools is a commitment to our customer. So we offer specifically four different types of construction. We offer a gunite pool, we offer a fiberglass pool, we offer a vinyl polymer wall pool with a vinyl finish, we offer a concrete wall pool with a vinyl finish. And what we like to do is listen to our customer and try to provide the pool for them that best fits their needs for what they have in mind and for ease of ownership. Years ago, Danny said we wanted to build a pool in our backyard, in our customer's backyard, like we'd have it in our backyard. So one of the biggest complaints we had back in those days was people loved pools, but they were hard to maintain. So we've always focused on developing technology, continuing education, and a low maintenance product so that people can enjoy their pool as opposed to working on it. So we believe that regardless of the type of pool that you build, quality construction is most important. You have to have a pool that's the company stands behind and is going to support you with, and the warranty is going to be good, and you're going to be able to have peace of mind for years and years. And that's really important for us.